Is DTF Printer A3 L1800 transfer printer machine. Have you ever wanted to design and print your own unique shirts or other fabrics? If so, then look no further than the DTF Printer A3 L1800 transfer printer machine. This amazing printer allows you to print your designs onto PET film, which can then be easily transferred onto various fabrics using a heat press. One of the most impressive features of this printer is its white ink circulation system. This system helps prevent blockages and ensures that your prints look beautiful and uniform every time. And with the ability to print on a wide variety of fabrics, the possibilities for your designs are endless. With your purchase, you'll receive not only the printer itself but also 5 bottles of high-quality ink in CMYK and white, as well as 100 sheets of PET film to get you started. And if you ever need technical assistance, the team of experts is always available to help you remotely. Overall, the DTF Printer A3 L1800 transfer printer machine is the perfect tool for creating custom shirts, hats, bags, and more. So if you like this printer and want to buy it, make sure to check out the link provided in the description box below.